Hi guys, today I thought when I play Obby but you're a bird, it's gonna be Scarlet's avatar, but not because you're a bird. Now I think we need to just, we need checkpoints every 10 meters. Meters? 10 meters? I don't get it. 10 millimeter? I don't. What? 10 miles. Okay. What? Oh, quack. Wow. No. Okay. But if I fall 3 times, I'm leaving this, guys. Oh my gosh. But I mean, why are you trying to reach this? No! I think I'm falling here. No, please don't fall. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Guess we're falling. No, please. No. No. Oh yeah, hey, we're pink. Guys, look, we're color pink. So cute. Oh yeah, if we died 2 times, oh, it's sad. If you guys like this video, we're going to extend it that if we're going to have a safety. Oh my gosh, guys, look, someone liked. Aw. Yay, guess we still have a chance. In 3 times, if we fall 3 times, we're going to die. Anyway, that was thanks for your help, guys. Thanks for liking. Right, Scarlet? No way. No. I almost fall here again, and now I'm falling here again. No, why keep on falling? Go, 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 go. No. Go. Okay. Why I did it? Look, there's so many cute colors. There's blue, there's yellow, there's white, there's purple. Huh? Please. Literally, no, please. So cute. Please. Yay. Go here. Ah. Okay. I fell here. So maybe not. You can go first. Oh. How come? Please. Oh, why am I so scared right now? Please. How is this? Oh. Yay! Finally, we have checkpoint. Now, if we die, we can just go back there. Wait, what? How is this even possible? I think we're going here, guys. This game is so calming. It's calming me. Aww. No, no. How is it even possible? What? I think we're stuck. Oh wait, no we're not. No we're not. I guess we are. Anyway, in here. I don't get it. What? Do you think if you jump here from there? No. No. Guess we're back here again. Now what are we going to do here, bruh? We're back to where we are. Now how is this supposed to be? This is hard. I hate this. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Spikes. Oh my gosh. This spike is annoying. What? Okay. What do we do now, bro? We're dying. I quit. Bye.